Okay, hello again, everyone. Guys, we're going to go over the vocabulary assignment together. Normally, we're going to do this during our second Zoom meeting each day. But since we're not having any Zoom meetings here this week, none that are required, I thought I'd just make a video and go ahead and do it for you. Guys, the vocabulary is in the bottom folder, this orange folder. Click on there. It's the top puzzle piece, okay? There'll be a couple more videos in here when you guys see it. I just haven't made them yet. Okay, we're going to go into this vocabulary, the puzzle piece, and go ahead and do it. Okay, now, I'm clicking up to my top tab up here again. I'm going to go back. This is today's folder. I'm going to go up into this green folder, though, so we can get our notes out of there. This is a copy of the slideshow, again, that's in the video, the same thing we used to complete these two puzzle pieces in the top folder. We're using the same thing. Right? It's a PDF document of a PowerPoint slideshow that I use in that the very first video. It has all the answers for you, so we're just going to use it, okay? So let's go back. Here's our vocabulary. First word is function. All right. Back to our slideshow. We're going to scroll down here and take a look at it. There's the objective. There's the EQ. There it is right there. A function is a relation for which each input has exactly one unique output. All right, let's go back here and find it. Function. A relation for which each input has exactly one unique output. There we go. I'll put it right up there. All right, just kind of drag it up there. The next word is intercepts. Okay. Scroll down here. I got a feeling it's pretty quick. Function, there it is, intercepts. The points where the graph touches the axis, or axes. It touches or it crosses. Okay, so click back. See where it says the points where the graph touches the axis. There it is right there. Put it up there. Boom. All right, the next word is domain. Domain and range. I got a feeling they're going to be together. So just scroll down here. It's the very next slide. Domain of the function is the set of input values, or the x values. The range is the set of output values, or y values, okay? So let's go back. First one again is domain, input values, or x values. That's domain. Output values or y values. That's the range. Here we go. Okay? The next one is interval notation. All right, interval notation is right here. Represents a set of real numbers by the pair of values that are at its boundaries. All right, the minimum and maximum, or the left and right values. Let's take a look at it. Interval notation, a representation for a set of numbers by listing the pairs of maximum and minimum values. That's it. All right. I'll bet you already know these last two. But what the heck? Let's just scroll down here. Talks about interval notation. Scroll a little more. Shows where it's increasing and where it's decreasing. Very important concept. There they are. The maximum value of a function is its largest value. The minimum is the smallest value. All right? So we can go back here. Smallest value is minimum. Largest value is maximum. Boom. All right? Guys should be able to get those then. Again, you can always stop the video or rewind it, pause it, go get a sandwich, come back, finish it up. It's okay. Again, if y'all have any questions, go ahead and email me. It's okay. I'm here to help you. That's it. Thanks.